Welcome to our channel, Innovative Blend. Today, we'll be talking about digital solar panels. Solar panel, which is a device that converts sunlight into electrical energy. The image likely shows a flat, rectangular panel with a grid of small photovoltaic cells, which are the components that absorb sunlight and generate electricity. The solar panel may be depicted with a metallic frame mounting hardware and electrical connectors. The image may also show the solar panel in a particular setting, such as on a rooftop or in a solar array. Solar energy produces no emissions, contributing less to climate change and air pollution. Solar panels can generate electricity on-site, reducing reliance on grid electricity. Solar energy can save you money by reducing your energy bills. Solar panels require minimal maintenance and have a long lifespan, up to 30 years. Solar panels can be installed in various locations, from rooftops to solar farms. The solar industry creates jobs in manufacturing, installation, and maintenance. Solar panels are built to withstand various weather conditions.